Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video. This week is going to be a little bit different than the last couple of videos because I'm actually going to be packing for Mexico City. I've never been and I'm so excited. I'm actually going for a work trip, but I am going to be there for 7 days. So I need to pack. And the weather just changed, so my flight leaves tomorrow morning. I have literally like 10 hours before I need to get up, so I need to do this quickly. And the weather just changed on us, and it will be raining most of the time there. I wanted a cute summer moment, and it looks like it'll be mostly just rainy day wear, which is perfectly fine, but I wanted to go ahead and pack with you. I am so excited. I've been to Mexico a few times in my life, and I love it there, and I'm really excited. We have a lot of fun stuff planned for me and my boyfriend, and then also just for me and my work and my coworkers, and I'm excited to just see them in person again. Working remote is a blessing, but I do not get to see my coworkers as much as I would like to. It's gonna rain, so I need to pack a couple pairs of pants and a jacket or two to be able to wear, and I need comfy clothes because we will be doing a little hiking, somebody from work said, but I do want to make sure I pack a cute dress or two, and I also need to pack some work stuff because, again, this is a work trip, so there will be like a conference and stuff, so I do need to look nice for that. I don't know, let's start pulling stuff and going day by day and start from there. Okay, so like I said, it's gonna rain. I have a lot of darker pants I want to wear because of the rain. So the first ones I'm gonna bring are these like military green Wild Fable pants. I love these pants. They're super comfortable and they're easy to like dress up a little bit, and I feel comfortable around them and coworkers and stuff, and also just like walking around in the rain and staying comfy and warm. So I'm packing those. And then I also have these jeans from Wild Fable that I love. They're super cute. They're just plain light blue jeans. They have little like stuff here, but mostly just some comfortable jeans. And then the third pair of pants are gonna be just these black jeans. They have a hole in them. They're super cute, and I haven't gotten to wear them a lot, so I think rainy Mexico City is probably the perfect time, and those are gonna be added to the pile. So for the little conference part of the week, I'm thinking I pair this like satin orange long sleeve shirt with just a pair of jeans. It dresses it down a little bit, but also makes it look a little bit nice because we will be inside just in case we walk outside for lunch or it gets a little bit chilly. I actually think it would be super cute and a little bit like professional looking in case I need to speak or anything like that. I'm also going to bring this summer dress here. It's just white with blue flowers on it. It's a long dress, so I think it'll be cute and sort of weather appropriate, and it'll be better for like the sunnier days because on some of the sunny days it still will be like 75 degrees, so I think this could be super cute for that, and I do just want to have one or two dresses on hand. So the hotel I'm staying at during my personal days there does have a pool. Again, I don't know if it's going to be sunny enough for this, but just in case, I am going to bring this Shade and Shore, this new swimsuit that I got. It's just yellow. It's super cute. It'll be perfect for a little pool moment if the sun lets us have it. So I'm gonna pack that as well. I don't need much more than that. I don't think I'll have that much time for the pool, but I want to have it just in case. I also think the hotel I'm gonna be staying at is going to have a gym, so I am gonna bring two of my Set Active sets to work out a few days if I can, and just some big t-shirts to go along with them. Again, just maybe I can get some days in. I don't know. I don't know if I'll have time, but I want to have it just in case, so I'm only packing 2 sets. Okay, I'm probably going to wear the green pants on the plane, and with that, I'm going to wear this little Hidden Valley crop tee just to be comfortable. And then I am going to bring one skirt. It's going to be this little pleather brown skirt. It's a good length, and I'd feel comfortable wearing it around, and it would be super cute. So I'm gonna wear that. And then I have 2 shirt options with that, but these shirts can also be worn with the pants I bring you too, so perfect. I have this little, it's like a mock turtleneck tank top, but it's long and it covers everything, and it would still be super cute, and I could throw a jacket on it if it starts raining. And I figured that would be cute with this skirt. And then I also have this little collared t-shirt that would be cute with the skirt, and also with any of the pants that I have too. Just, again, I want to be appropriate and still be cute though. So I'm going to bring that as well. And then for some of the other days that are like personal days or I'm off on my own, I have this little collared tank top that would be cute with some pants. And then I am going to grab a pair of shorts or two to bring, and maybe one other skirt. So this will be cute with that. And then just to be safe, to have one extra long sleeve shirt, I just have this cream colored shirt that again will match with any of the pants, or even shorts if I need it to, and it's just a good basic to bring on the trip with me. It's been a minute since you last saw me. You don't know that, but I know that. But I'm also finishing up some laundry before I go, and did I have any clean towels? Like, what the heck? Why are all my towels dirty? I just cleaned them all, except for like 2. What the heck? Anyway, yeah, doing laundry now, finishing up, then I'm gonna throw together all this stuff in a suitcase. Oh, and show you the shoes I'm bringing. So I've decided to bring a fun outfit if the sun does decide to come out. And I have this little skirt, this little flower skirt to bring that I'm gonna pair with this little top. I think together this could be super cute, and you know, maybe the sun will peek out and I can wear that somewhere, but we will see. As far as shoes go, I'm probably gonna bring, I should keep it to like 3 or 4 pair. Okay, so I am gonna for sure bring these. These are good to walk in, and they're also good for like rainy days and for just elevating an outfit just a little bit. So I am gonna bring those. I am also gonna bring my pink New Balances. I'm gonna wear these on the plane, but just to have a good firm pair of sneakers for more casual days. And then for those sunny days, I am just gonna have these flat sandals from Target. I absolutely love them and they go with anything, so I'm gonna have those ready to go. And then I'm gonna bring these just in case I can wear them with one of the outfits I put together on a sunny day. If they fit in my suitcase, they're gonna come with me. And then I am gonna bring my gym sneakers. I might have to get rid of a pair of these shoes if it doesn't fit in my bag well, but we will cross that bridge when we get there. 2 pajama shirts, and I'm gonna throw in a pair of comfy shorts to just walk around the room and get ready in the morning in. Specifically, my favorite ones, my little TTPD little shorts. They're so comfy. Perfect for just hanging around. We have 2 kind of bigger suitcases. We have this one and we have an even bigger one. But the problem with that is I always go over the weight limit in that one. So I'm gonna stick to the smaller of the big suitcases so that I don't get an extra fee. So we're hoping and praying everything fits in here. It totally should. I feel like it's not that much. I usually overpack a lot, so I feel like this is a good amount. Balanced pretty precariously right now, but I wanted to pack all of my toiletries. I'm gonna do makeup and stuff in the morning, but I wanted to pack like my shampoo and conditioner and stuff, so I'm just gonna put that in here. I already have travel size bottles. I just need to refill them. I literally just used them like a week or so ago, so I'm just gonna go ahead and refill these up. Also, the shampoo and conditioner I use is Curl Define by Monday. I really like this stuff. I don't know what other people think about it. I think shampoo and conditioner stuff for your hair is so confusing, but I have found that I really like the way this one feels on my hair. Filled right to the brim. This one can also be put away. And then for body wash, I like the Method Body. And I like to change up the scent. This time I have Berry Balance. There's usually just a mix of a whole bunch of scents in here because I don't feel like cleaning it out, and it's basically all the same brand. And then finally my face wash. I use the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. Perfect. And I have a little travel Listerine, a little travel toothpaste that I'm going to throw in here as well. My moisturizer is going to be thrown in there. I also have a little travel deodorant. Always use that one. Okay, so I always bring little hair ties. I'm going to bring a little tiny sunscreen as well. I'm going to bring my reusable makeup remover thing, my makeup remover travel thing. I always use the same one, Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. I'm just going to, I'm gonna try to bring this to finish up my little Coco Chanel. And then tomorrow I'm going to add my toothbrush and I should be good to go. That is it in terms of packing, everyone. And then tomorrow I'll just do my makeup and be on the road. This is also going to be my carry-on basically, so I'm going to throw in a book and some snacks and things. The book I'm reading right now is The Rise of Kyoshi. It is pretty good. I'm hoping to finish it on this trip, but I'm going to go ahead and throw that in here. And then I need to plug in my AirPods and do some other stuff, but I think for tonight that's going to be it, and I'll pick up with you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It is currently 6:55. We have to leave in a few minutes. I am all packed, ready to go. Got my makeup ready to go. I'm gonna throw on a little bit of makeup, and then yeah, we're gonna be heading out. And then we're gonna be heading out, and we should get there with some time so I can get some coffee and just sit and relax and enjoy. I like getting to the airport early, so I'm hoping we can wrap it up and get out of here very quickly. But we do have some time, and yeah, so I just wanted to say good morning, and let's put on a little bit of makeup. But first, let's all drink some water together. I really want some coffee, and it turns out I do not like airplane coffee, so I need to have some before we take off. The flight is like 3.5 hours or something like that, so it's not bad at all. Short little flight. I could probably do some editing, or again, I showed you my book yesterday. I get to read a little bit. I'm hoping I finished that book on this trip, and then I can start It Starts With Us, because I finished It Ends With Us a few weeks ago in time for the movie, which I saw, which I know it's kind of different from the book, spoiler. It's a little bit different from the book, but I still thoroughly enjoyed it. Alright, I didn't really do a lot, but I just wanted to do a little something because I might see coworkers when I land or at the airport or whatever. So I just wanted to look presentable, but I am basically ready to go. I just need to throw some of these things into my suitcase, and then I'm ready to go. I'm just waiting on someone else, and then we can head out, and hopefully I get some coffee soon. We're on our way. Mexico City, here we come.
So for coffee, we stopped by Alfred's, and I got the world famous vanilla latte iced. We need to mix it up and maybe add some sugar, but we're finally getting off to a good foot in this airport.
Let's give it a try.
It's good, it's coffee, it tastes like milk. We are finally on the plane. Mexico, here we come.